Dude, how about a neon and magnetic track letter collaboration? What's up, dude? I'm Tony from LCSIGN. Today I'll introduce to you a magical product that will make your eyes shine. Check it out, dude. This is our magnetic neon letter sign. From several of our previously updated videos, we have introduced LED track letter signs and neon signs, dude. Do you have any expression of that? Yes, magnetic neon letters combine the features of LED lights with long-lasting glow, excellent performance, and strong 3D effect. Carefully selected materials and precision craftsmanship, it is composed of aluminum alloy sheet, acrylic surface, and LED light strips inside, dude. Available in different sizes, letters, and colors. And we can also provide customized services according to your actual needs, dude, which is more cost effective. Easily installs in under 1 minute. All you need to do is to mount the back panel to the wall with the drill, power it on, and put the neon letters on the back panel. Then it lights up, dude. There is no any wire connected on it, and we also use low voltage power, so it's super safe to use. The position of the letters can be changed at will and is very easy to put on and take it off. Even kids can do it very easily. Very simple and convenient. What do you think of this stunning neon sign, dude? Do you want to attract your customer and grow your business? Comment to let us know and follow LCSIGN, dude.